11 years ago, packed my bags to go. San Fran was the plan, just a single man. But the West Coast dream lost its golden gleam when this tropical town got me to settle down. Not for the reggaeton, not for the silicone, capital of Latam, right here where I am, La Gran Ciudad, best I had, not a fad, yeah, 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 yeah. Let the valley fade in the palm tree shade.